Imagine waking up tomorrow morning. You check your phone, and while you were sleeping, money quietly landed in your account. No boss, no customers calling, no overtime, no alarm clock deciding your future. Sounds fake? It's not. The truth is, the richest people don't work for every dollar they earn. Their money works for them. Now here's the scary part. Most people spend their entire lives trading time for money. They work harder every year, but somehow save less every year. If they stop working, their income stops too. That's not freedom, that's survival. Today, I'm going to show you 25 silent income streams that can pay you every single month, even when you're sleeping, studying, traveling, or spending time with your family. Some require money, some require skills, and some can literally be started with nothing but your laptop and internet connection. Stay until the end, because the last few income streams are the ones millionaires quietly build behind the scenes. Let's begin. Part 1. Investment income. 1. Dividend stocks. Imagine owning a tiny piece of companies like Coca-Cola or Johnson & Johnson. Every few months, they share part of their profits with you. That's called a dividend. You don't work, you don't sell anything. You simply own the shares. The more shares you own, the bigger your monthly income becomes. Many investors slowly build portfolios that eventually pay thousands every month. 2. High-yield savings accounts. Most people let cash sit in ordinary bank accounts earning almost nothing, but some banks actually pay attractive interest. 3. Bonds. Governments and companies borrow money from investors. In return, they pay regular interest. Think of it like becoming the bank instead of borrowing from one. It's slower than stocks, but usually more stable. 4. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Buying a house isn't the only way to earn rental income. REITs let you invest in shopping malls, apartments, hotels, hospitals, warehouses, and office buildings. You receive part of the rental income. No tenants, no repairs, no leaking roofs, just passive distributions. 5. Index funds. Instead of trying to pick winning stocks, own the whole market. Index funds automatically spread your money across hundreds of companies. Over decades, this simple strategy has created countless millionaires. Sometimes, doing less actually earns more. Part 2. Digital Assets. 6. YouTube channel. A single video can earn money for years. You upload once. People keep watching. Ads continue paying. Thousands of creators earn while sleeping because videos never stop working. That's the power of digital assets. 7. Blogging. Write one helpful article. Google keeps sending visitors. Those visitors click ads or buy products. One article can generate income for years. Imagine writing something today that still earns money 5 years later. 8. Affiliate marketing. Recommend products you genuinely like. When someone buys through your link, you earn a commission. No customer support, no inventory, no shipping, just helpful recommendations. 9. Online courses. No Photoshop, Excel, English, cooking, fitness. Teach it once, record it once, sell it forever. People around the world buy knowledge every day. 10. Ebooks. Write a useful guide, upload it. Amazon or other platforms handle delivery automatically. You become an author without needing a publishing company. Transition. Notice something? These income streams don't pay for your time, they pay for your value. Now let's go even deeper. Part 3. Creative assets. 11. Stock photos. Take high-quality photos, upload them. Every download earns royalties. One photo, thousands of sales. One afternoon of photography, years of passive income. 12. Music licensing: musicians can upload songs to licensing platforms. Businesses, filmmakers, YouTubers, everyone needs music. Every license means another payment. 13. Selling templates: resumes, Canva designs, PowerPoint slides, Excel sheets. People buy ready-made solutions every single day. Design once, sell forever. 14. Print on demand: create artwork, put it on shirts, mugs, phone cases. When someone orders, the supplier prints and ships everything. You never touch the product. 15. Mobile apps. Some apps are incredibly simple: habit trackers, calculators, budget planners, weather apps. One useful app can generate subscriptions or advertising income every month. Transition. So far, everything we've discussed lives online. But passive income also exists in the real world. Let's explore that. Part 4. Real world. Passive income. 16. Rental property. Buy property, rent it out. Monthly rent becomes monthly income. Property managers can handle most daily work. Real estate has created wealth for generations. 17. Renting parking spaces. Own unused parking? Someone nearby might gladly pay every month. Simple, quiet, steady. 18. Storage units. People always run out of space. Storage businesses generate consistent monthly cash flow. Many investors love them because maintenance is relatively low. 19. Vending machines. Place machines in busy locations: schools, hospitals, gyms, offices. They quietly sell products all day, even while you're sleeping. 20. Laundromats. People always need clean clothes. Modern laundromats often require surprisingly little daily involvement. Customers come, machines work, income continues. Transition. Now let's talk about income streams that almost nobody thinks about. These are small individually, but together they can become powerful. Part 5. Small streams that grow big. 21. Cashback rewards. Some credit cards and apps reward every purchase. You're already spending money. Why not earn a little back? Small percentages become meaningful over time. 22. Cashback shopping apps. Many apps pay rewards for shopping through their links. It's not free money. But if you're buying anyway, why leave money behind? 23. Website advertising. Own a website with visitors? Advertising networks pay every month. More traffic, more income. Simple. 24. Domain investing. Some people buy valuable website names. Years later, businesses pay thousands to own them. Patience often creates profit. 25. Licensing your ideas. Write software, invent a product, create artwork, design fonts, build digital tools. Instead of selling your time, you license your creation. Every sale becomes another payment. That's how creators build income without working every hour. The big lesson. Here's something nobody tells you. Passive income is rarely passive at the beginning. It takes work first. Then, it takes patience. Then, it starts paying you back. Think of planting a tree. You don't plant it today and expect fruit tomorrow. You water it, protect it, wait. Eventually, the tree feeds you for years. Passive income works exactly the same way. If you're a student, you might be thinking, I don't have money. That's okay. Start with skills. Learn video editing, graphic design, writing, programming, photography. Turn one skill into one digital product, then another, then another. One day, you'll wake up and realize something incredible. You made money while you were asleep, not because you got lucky, but because you built assets instead of only working for income. Remember this: rich people don't simply earn more, they own more. Ownership changes everything. Maybe nobody taught you this in school. Maybe your family worked hard every day just to survive. There's nothing wrong with honest work. But you deserve options. You deserve freedom. You deserve a future where missing one day of work doesn't destroy your finances. Start with one income stream. Master it. Then build another. Don't chase quick money. Build quiet money. Because quiet money lasts the longest. If you learned something valuable today, hit the like button because it helps this video reach more people who need it. Subscribe for more videos on building wealth, smart money habits, and financial freedom. And tell me in the comments, which passive income stream would you start today, and why? Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video.